Hey everybody, how are my Glow Tarts doing today? I hope everybody's well. Alright guys, so now the theme has been revealed for the July Yes Oh Yes box. First, I'll show you the spoiler and then I'll share with you the theme. So the spoiler that we already know about is the Beauty Creations in the Annette 69 collab palette. This will be in your July Yes Oh Yes box. Now for the theme, guys, they just revealed this. It is Reach for the Stars. I think that is really cute for July. So guys, just know that I will keep you updated if they reveal any more spoilers. And as always, Yes Oh Yes is linked below if you want to check them out. And also, if you want to check them out, I do have a code for you to use. It is SelfTaught Beauty, and that is in all caps. That will get you 10% off your first box. And as always, guys, make sure your bell is on. That way you're notified of every single video I upload. You do not want to miss any of these spoilers. Also, guys, rate the video for me if you would. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, thumbs down if you didn't. That shows me exactly which videos you guys have been enjoying and which ones I need to adjust just for you. And one more tiny favor before you guys leave. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join my Glow Tart family. We would love to have you. And I love you guys so much. And I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.